Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Every week I have new content, new unboxings, mystery boxes, first looks, and today we've got a mystery box from Hank and Henry. So this is very exciting. It's my first Hank and Henry mystery box, and it took a long time to get here. It came out in November and I ordered it then, and then I just got it this past week. And as you know, my husband had hip surgery, and so we've been tending to that. So please, good vibes for the healing process for the husband. We appreciate that. We all love Rome. He is the best man that I ever have known. And he is doing really well. We're really happy with his progress. But, you know, a little extra vibes doesn't hurt. So, let's see. This is definitely a very secure box. And now we have it open. I shall put up the magic scissors. And so, let's open it up. It looks like this. This is a packing slip. It looks like Bruno. Oh no, it looks like it said Bruno, but it's not. And this is the Curious Georgia Mystery Box 2. And it was, oh, it'll tell me how much this was. Well, I can't remember, like 35 bucks, something like that. It's been so long since I ordered it, I do not remember how much it was. And on the top, we have some really nice stickers. And another sticker. And some little squealy dooby doos that get everywhere. And so this is what it looks like once the little squealy doos are, I know that's not the real name for them, squigglies, I don't know what they're called. But we first off have some little tiny powder puffs, and there are 6 powder puffs in here, and you can use it for under eye and things like that. Very cute. Next up is a palette that I already have but I have not used, so this will go in a giveaway. It is the Fuego Palette, and it is a gorgeous palette. And this will be a great palette for a giveaway. I got mine from Boxy Pop-Up for like 9 bucks. But it was much more expensive than that when it first came out. And as you know, sometimes they put older products in mystery boxes. Next up, so I don't know how much any of this stuff costs. But next up we have Hank and Henry, My Alter Ego. It says iKit, and it says we are the Night Owls, personality, artistry, and philanthropy. And let's see. You open it up and it's all sparkly. And this says Press Pearls Eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. And here are the top 2 colors, a beautiful black and like a really great smoky gray. And then, I don't know how you get to the bottom. The bottom's got like this greeny gold color. So this is for an eye look also. There we go. And this is like a loose pigment powder. So you get 3 colors, and I've seen these boxes before, and this is actually something that I will totally try out and use. This is great, and it is called El Jefe Luster Lights Loose Pearls. So these are loose pearls. And it's beautiful, and it's totally up my alley, so I'm going to put it down in my box of palettes and eyeshadows to try. I don't know how much those run, but they are not inexpensive, I know that. Then we have Luster Liquid, and this is sealed in plastic. And let's put the glasses on for this. And it says Liquid Eye Shimmer. And it says Milky Way is the color. Let's get the scissors to open this packaging. I can't wait to see what this looks like. It's got a little tiny box. This seems like a really good mystery box so far. Oh, and it says Milky Way Liquid Eye Shimmer. Ooh, look at that. I'm just going to take a little off the edge. Oh, it's more of a gel. And that's what it looks like. It looks like it can be used for the eyes or a highlighter. That's very beautiful. And I obviously will be keeping it because I swatched it, but look at that. That's gorgeous. I love that. Oh, there's a little lid to put on top of it to keep it fresh. Let's put that there. Because we want to keep it fresh and moist. So I'm sure that is not inexpensive, but it's gorgeous. I will keep it here with my other little add-on eyeshadow things I have. And then last but not least is a bunch of brushes. And these brushes are supposed to be, the Hank and Henry brushes are supposed to be fantastic. And they all have ladies' names. And this is Bianca brush. So let's see how many brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 2 eye brushes, Bianca and Liz. And these both look like brushes that I will love to use. And then, oh, this is like a nice blush brush. And this is Josephine. Oh, and this looks like a nice powder brush, and this is Sarah. And these brushes are very nicely priced. They're not inexpensive brushes. And then this looks like, this is Sabrina. I'm not sure. Maybe contour? But these are some really beautiful, good quality brushes. And I'm very excited to get that. So I think for, I can't remember, I think it was like $35. For $35, I've gotten the liquid eye, 5 brushes, a palette, powder puffs, and the eye trio. And I think that that is a fantastic deal because these brushes are not, none of this stuff is inexpensive. So I love it very much. I'm very excited about it, and I think it was a good deal. So thanks, Hank and Henry, for having a great mystery box. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.